Okay, good. Welcome back. Now let's discuss an exercise. This is temperature converter. Here is the problem statement for you. So your task is to write a temperature controller, but you also have to utilize the knowledge of if else statements. So how it should work? Here are the steps. So ask your user to select the conversion option. If they select C to F, then your code should convert the temperature input from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And if they select F to C, that means the code should convert the Fahrenheit input to the Celsius output. I've also given here the conversion equations, and then of course you will have to display the converted temperature. And by chance, if user selects the invalid option, then make sure to have some friendly error message that will ask them to select the correct option. So the way you can start solving this exercise can be to have an input for choosing this C to F or F to C option, and depending on this choice you should have if else statement. So if choice equals C to F, then do the following: use this equation. Else if choice is F to C, then use this equation. And since we plan to have a friendly error message if none of these options are selected, for that case you can use like if choice equals C to F, then elif choice equals F to C, and then else display the error message. That also is an option. So try to solve this question. I'm pretty sure, given the discussion we had in the previous lectures, this problem is quite straightforward. So I'll see you in the solution part.